Actually on the way to help my buddy Tony out. He wants to put a lift on his truck. Damn, I think it's heavy. This, take this. I think he's got tools. I'm hoping he's got tools. If not, I better take my tools because I have a feeling he's not gonna have everything there. Alright, got me my drink. Got me a couple new masks. You can't go anywhere these days without a mask. So gotta have some extras, some backups. These are like these, so these actually you can breathe through. Alright guys, I'm actually heading over to my buddy Tony's house. He bought his new truck and he bought a little leveling kit for the front of it. I believe he went to rough country, I'm not sure. But it should be pretty simple. He said it shouldn't take very long. So, but he doesn't have all the tools, so I needed to get some jack, some tools, and I brought some extra stuff. I know my friend Tony, he doesn't always have all the stuff, and he won't always tell me. So I don't want to be stuck doing a 30-minute job and then it's gonna take me 2 hours. So I brought a couple extra tools just in case. He's never had a truck. I don't think he's ever had a truck before. It might be his first truck. He's been a Corvette guy, so it'd be kind of cool to see what he's gonna do with this thing. But yeah, we should meet this shortly, so we'll see what he got. I think he lives on the first street, if I remember right. I haven't been here in a while, guys. With all this COVID stuff. Besides, he used to work with me. Tony used to work with me, and he actually now works at he's an airplane mechanic. So yeah, he doesn't work on cars anymore. He works on more dangerous, crazier stuff. That's a nice truck. Oh yeah, I forgot he had a Prelude too. I think the Prelude left him stranded, and that's what got him to buy this truck. We're here. It's hot today. Where the hell is he? He's never had that dog before. Dang.
You better start.
He's big. I don't think he likes me.
He's 7 months old.
7?
Yeah.
King Corso?
Yeah.
Hey buddy, you can smell me.
Smell him. Smell him.
I don't think he likes the camera. There you go. Man. Oh yeah, I just traded the Jeep in for this.
Did you?
Yeah, like yesterday. It's clean. This thing. Go ahead, grab my car. Get in there, ruin it. Tear it up with your big old claws.
Damn, it is please.
Dude, it's like $4 grand.
Hey, no, we're not going nowhere.
He's like, we're going for a ride.
That way.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, come here.
He's gonna be gone, dude. You're not gonna have a dog anymore.
Logan.
Alright, this is what he went with. Rough Country. The 2-inch leveling kit. Hardware. And some stickers and instructions. Cool. Just gonna pull it in forward. Let's get all the stuff out. Alright.
How's it going best?
Huh?
That'll work?
This?
Yeah.
Yeah, why?
Low profile?
Man, it's 3-ton.
I thought we needed a...
You thought what?
something bigger.
Really? Will you have a jack like this or what?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah?
What did you think we needed? A lift?
Well, I thought they made specific butts or...
What? You have a jack just like the one I have.
I didn't think it... I remember trying to lift my mom's or my Jonathan's truck and I could barely do it.
What are you talking about?
Well, his truck wasn't this big.
I use that same jack to lift my Raptor.
For real?
Yes. Where were you lifting it from? The spare tire?
Yeah, you wanted me to do his brakes and... Because I remember lifting it.
Really? So I didn't have to bring this thing?
Here's the name brand though.
It's the same thing, it's Harbor Freight.
I got this bad boy.
Oh man, I brought mine. I thought you were gonna be like unprepared.
Some tools.
Oh, I thought I figured you took all your tools to work and that's where you had them. So I was like, you know what? He probably took all his sockets too, so just to be safe, I brought all mine.
I have all the metric shit in here still. So.
Oh. All right. So all we gotta do is basically just take off these lower bolts, and that should free up. You know, one thing I don't have is I didn't bring a pry bar.
I got 2 of them.
Perfect. How much are those?
Take a big guess.
What is it for? That's for the airplanes?
For the wings, yeah, like corrosion and shit to cover it up.
Wow. What is this?
A box of them, a box of 30 is like 6,000.
What? Of this?
Yeah.
They use this in the wings?
Yeah.
What do you have it for? You don't have an airplane.
Cover stuff up, it's good.
Alright, let's loosen the sway bar so we're not fighting it. $115. Another 15. Now let's grab her. Huh? You got a can opener? That ain't gonna work. Here he goes, here he goes. Come on, you bitch. Oh. Okay, you work on that. Wait. Told you. Whoa, that one shot out. Got that one. All right. Keep these in case you wanna go back to stock, which I don't think you're gonna want to. All right. Now that gives us enough room to get a pry bar and just like pry and sneak it in through here. So get our hardware set up and ready. So I need 2 bolts. Yeah. I don't know what I got in my hand. Boop. I don't know what it is.
Where's that from?
Came off your door handle.
For real?
No. You're like, whoops. Alright. This is the fun part. How far are we? How close are we? We're pretty close.
Yeah.
So all we need now is move the strut back. We'll get one side in first. So like, give me a bolt. And it's almost lined up. Let's see if I can get one in. All right, you pry down, and let me try. Where are we at? What the fuck? Where is that pry bar? It's not supposed to be this hard.
Level 2, baby. It's always hard.
Okay. Not working.
No, we'll just do one side, is it?
Alright.
I'll do a news trend. Let it rock one side and then the other side.
Let me pry. Oh. Go ask your neighbor. He looks like he weighs 220.
Yeah,
bring
more, I think.
Fuck. Yeah. Alright. How far off are we on this one?
Just about there.
Right about there?
Yep.
Alright, so let me just get the bolt ready.
You gonna put the nail on that one?
Yeah. You ready?
I'm ready, ready.
How far are you from the red one?
It needs to go
Can you move it
a
with
little bit more.
Can you move it with this? Can you stick it in there? Can you like pry it?
Oh yeah.
This gets pretty close. Just get the red one lined up and then I can try to hold this right there. Okay, let me pry in the strut.
Right there.
Oh, yes. That was easy.
Not bad.
Only an hour and 20 minutes.
20 minutes, my ass.
20 minutes. Well, I'm sure if we took everything off like they said, maybe. But we don't like to follow instructions. It's the easiest rough country lift ever. All these tools are needed, plus 300 pounds and 2 bottles of water.
It was easy. Instructions were correct. 20 minutes.
Yeah, it wasn't really hard. That looks good. We forgot to measure to see how much of a difference it was before we raised it. We got in a hurry. It looks good.
I got some before and after pictures.
Yeah, you have to send me some pictures. Definitely raised it up a lot. That was like a monster truck with skinny wheels. All right, guys. So that was a lot tougher than it should have been. It was kind of fighting us at the end there, but we got it in. It took us about 45 minutes to get it in. We fought it, got it in. It shouldn't have taken so long, but hey, it's all right. It's hot. We're sweaty. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. 98 degrees today, and it's muggy as hell. So, but yeah, it's in. I'm gonna put the link in the description below on where you can get this rough country lift or one just similar like it. But if you guys like the video, please like, please subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.